5:48 is your time. Want to get a check of our pinpoint weather and traffic together. Any chances for precipitation for us today, Michelle?
A couple of sprinkles or a little drizzle possible, Danielle. We're also watching for maybe a few icy spots early this morning. Again, haven't gotten reports of that, but combination of the humidity at around 90% and temperatures at or even below freezing in spots could lead to the patchy black ice. On the radar, we're not tracking any rainfall per se, but again, one thing we'll watch for as the day goes on is maybe a little bit of drizzle or a few sprinkles that'll come in from that northeasterly wind driving in that moisture over the ocean. So we've got a few icy spots that we're tracking here, leading the weather headlines for this morning. Showers going to be arriving. Now, the steadier rain shower is going to be mostly through the overnight hours tonight. We're not looking at too much of a soaking, under a half an inch of rain most spots. We will be keeping an eye on the weekend, the possibility of an ocean storm. Timing of it would be Sunday into perhaps early Monday, and the big question is the track. So a lot of questions still yet to be answered on whether this will develop, how close it will come to us, and what sort of impact it'll have on the end of your weekend. But we've got our eye on it for sure. We're going to take a look at our city cam over Providence, and good visibility here, about 33 degrees. North winds light at 3 miles an hour, and the humidity at nearly 90%. Best chance of seeing any icy conditions would be north and west of Providence, where the temperatures are still at or below freezing, including Smithfield, and then if you're headed up towards Worcester, west into Willimantic. As you head closer to the coastline, we're in the mid to upper 30s, so those above freezing temperatures are good for travelers, meaning that the roadways should not be icy. Here's that view from our hurricane barrier camera in Providence, looking out towards the I-way, and people have had no trouble so far crossing the Washington Bridge or the I-way. As we look at the satellite and the radar, low clouds coming in from out over the ocean. So the bright day that we had yesterday going to be replaced by an overcast day today. Off to the west of us, there are showers. Those are associated with a cold front. That's what's going to come through overnight tonight. Out ahead of it, as the moisture increases again, there could be some sprinkles or some drizzle through the afternoon hours. Best chance for us of getting the more widespread showers will come after midnight tonight, and you can see these pushing through. They're mostly winding down early tomorrow morning, so the roadways damp for the morning commute, but improving conditions. We'll be back to some partial sun for your Wednesday afternoon. Temperatures today, again, climbing above freezing as we head through the morning hours. We'll be in the upper 30s to perhaps mid 40s in spots for the afternoon hours, and then falling only a couple of degrees through the night. Those temperatures when you wake up tomorrow morning will be between 40 and 45 across Rhode Island, even milder southeastern Mass, and then afternoon temperatures by Wednesday climbing up to near 50. So a mild day tomorrow. Again, there's no risk of any wintry weather overnight tonight, just plain rain showers. 43 for today, down to 40 tonight, 50 for the high tomorrow. That happens during the midday. Noontime still partly to mostly cloudy, some breaks of sunshine second half of the day. Thursday looks cooler, brisk with a high near 40 and a mix of sun and clouds. Friday and Saturday looking dry. Saturday night into Sunday, again, we'll be watching for that ocean storm. How close it comes will determine the sort of impact that it has on us and whether it'll be rain or snow or maybe a combination of both that'll be impacting our area. So definitely check back in for updates. Tony's in tonight. He'll have the latest for you starting live at 5 here on WPRI 12.